Good morning, students. Let's continue with the lesson number 4, that is operation on fraction. Last lecture we have left with 2 word problems from practice set 12. So let's continue with the same. For that, open your page number 26. I am reading the sum and then we will solve it. See, and one more thing, in last lecture I have given some example from question number 1 of practice set 12. By mistakenly I have written 9 into 9 as 36, that is 81 only. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience, student. Let's start with the word problem, that is second problem. Ashok Rao planted bananas on 2/7 of his field of 21 acres. What is the area of the banana plantation? See, here banana plantation on how much area? 2/7, right? Total area is 21 acres. So we have to find out this fraction in acres form, right? For that, therefore, area in acres of banana plantation is equal to 2/7 multiplied by 21. Now here we can do the cross multiplication, or we can divide this 21 by 7. So 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. Here what is the number remaining? 2 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 6 acres. So in 6 acres area, banana plantation done. Okay, understand everyone? Let's move to the next second problem. Out of total number of soldiers in our army, 4/9 are posted in northern border. 1/3 of them on northern border, right? So we have to find out total amount number of soldiers are 5,40,000, right? How many are posted in the northern east? So for that, first write total number of soldiers. Five lakh 40,000. Okay. As they said, 1/3 of soldier posted at north east. We have to find out in number. This fraction we have to convert in number. For that, therefore, number of soldiers at east is equal to 1 upon 3 multiply by 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now see, here also we can divide this 54 by 3. Use your divisibility test of 3. So 3 ones are 3. If you don't cannot do like this, you do separate division in rough part and then write the answer for each and every question. 3 ones are 3. Remainder is 2. It is 24. 3 8s are 24. Now write 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. This 1,80,000 multiplied by 1 is 1,80,000 only. So this much soldiers are posted on northeast side. Okay. Now here we are finished with practice set 12, which is based on multiplication. These two sums is your today's homework. Okay. Let's move to the second part or the next part, that is reciprocals. That is reciprocals, or it is called multiplicative inverse. What is it called? Multiplicative inverse. Now what is meaning of reciprocal? See, I am writing 5 upon 6. In this case, this is my numerator, this is my denominator. When I say make it reciprocal or convert it into multiplicative inverse, I have to make our denominator as numerator and numerator as denominator. Like 6 will go up, 5 will come down. This is my reciprocal of 5 upon 6. Understand? Nothing difficult in that. Based on this multiplicative inverse or reciprocal, our next part is based, or it is division of fraction. It is division of fraction. Right? Everyone understand this reciprocal? Reciprocal is nothing but making denominator, or it is called interchanging number of numerator and denominator. Interchanging means only exchange the place of the number. This will go up, this will come down. It is called reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. Now see, in multiplication we are just multiplicating numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Now what is in division of fraction? See, if I say 6 divide by 3 upon 2. 6 divide by 3 upon 2. In this case, you just change this part of your problem like this. See, 6 means the part before the division sign will remain same. We are changing the next part from the division sign. See, 6 right as it is, right? Opposite of division sign, that is multiplication, and you have to reciprocal or convert it into multiplicative inverse, that is 2 upon 3. Understand? Means here your numerator become denominator and denominator become numerator. Now 3 and 6. Take this crossly. 6 can divide by 3. So divide it. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. Number remaining is 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. Understand? Now I am taking another example. Then we will start with practice set 13. See here, 12 divided by 4. I know we can directly do the division part, but we are doing in the fraction form. For that, first write it like this: 12 upon 1 divided by 4 upon 1. As we said, when we are dividing this fraction, we are convert it into reciprocals. So 12 upon 1 multiply by 1 upon 4. Understand? Now see, this 4 can divide this 12. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. So your answer is 3. Understand? Now move to the practice set 13. See, from practice set 13, I am taking first question. So first question is, write reciprocals of the following number. First question is reciprocal of the following number. Now see, I am taking first one, that is 7. 7 means when there is no denominator, consider 1 is the denominator of the sum. So it is 7 upon 1. Reciprocal of this is 1 upon 7. Okay. Then fifth one I am taking. Others, along with this you have to solve yourself. 6 upon 7. Here we are interchanging the place of numerator and denominator. This 7 will go up and this 6 will come down. Understand everyone? Okay. So your today's homework is practice set 12 remaining 2 word problems and practice set 13 question number 1. Question number 2 and question number 3 I am taking in the next lecture. So till then, take care of yourself, understand it properly. If any problem is there or if any calculation mistake by mistakenly I have done, then please let me know in my personal. Till then, bye.